This is Mrs. Lopez from Core, and we're looking at using topographical maps on Epic. And today we're just reading pages 4 to 6, just looking at how do you use a topographical map. And what is it? What is a topographical map? That's our focus. Maps combine information from science and math with a touch of art. They represent places and living and non-living things there. What each map shows depends on its purpose. Some maps guide travelers, others show borders between cities or countries. Topographical maps use the lines to show the shape and height of the Earth's surface. So lines are the main feature of a topographical map. What do these maps show? Many maps show only the length or width of a place. A road map, for instance, might show how long the main road is between Denver and Colorado and Orlando and Florida. Topographical maps are different. Since they show height, they can show that Denver is a higher elevation than Orlando shows. A place's elevation is its height above the sea level. Denver, above, has a high elevation. How do topographical maps show height? The lines on these maps are called contour lines. They show the height by connecting points that are the same elevation. This means that if you trace a single contour line with your finger, all the places along the line will be the same height. Every fifth contour line is usually labeled with the height of the place along that line. You can estimate the elevations of the places along the lines without labels too. Just look at how much space is between the lines. If the lines are close together, they have a steep elevation. If they're far apart, then it's flatter land. All the spots along one line on a topographical map are the same height. So you can trace here, they would all be the same height. You could trace here, and they'd all be the same height. And then look at these wavy lines here. So if you trace along this line here, it kind of all converges. And go back along here. So all of this is the same height. So right here where they're all matching up and merging, it must be super steep, where here where there's more space, this part is flatter.